Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get brick road in Fisch X Pi step by step. Start at the town center and head southeast to the clay pit to gather raw clay. Focus on collecting at least 20 clay, then smelt clay into bricks at a furnace. Bring mortar sacks and a trowel. Plan your path before laying bricks to avoid backtracking, and work in 10 brick sections for steady progress. Heat your furnace and combine clay into brick batches while keeping fuel topped up to prevent delays. Work in small batches of 4 clay per brick, set to avoid waste and speed up crafting. Use a nearby chest to store finished bricks so you can focus on road laying without inventory clutter. Keep a spare pickaxe and trowel on hand to repair mistakes quickly and maintain your building rhythm. Scout your route and mark it with stakes or flags so your brick road stays straight and efficient. Place bricks in groups of 10, apply mortar evenly, and then smooth the seam with a flat tool once the mortar begins to set. Work from one end toward your destination to avoid stepping on fresh mortar. Take short breaks to step back and check alignment, and adjust any misaligned bricks before the mortar hardens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.